What are you doing, Chewy? Oh, you're gonna scratch your butt in the water now, huh? You like that fresh water? It's hot out here, huh? Alright, I guess this is the communal bathtub for the piggies. We actually have Moo Moo in with Chewy for breeding purposes. She's not quite in heat yet, but she'll go into heat here pretty soon. So she's in the front part with Chewy. They're so silly. It's a perfect bathtub for you, isn't it? Huh? Alright guys, today is the day that we do Gator's farm tour. So we're gonna let him out and we're gonna take him around personally to meet all of the animals, and then he's gonna be out and he's gonna be roaming free and we'll see how things go. My biggest concern is the pigs, because I'm not really sure how the pigs will react to him, but I think they'll be good. They've been smelling him for a while, so hopefully they do good. All right, Gator, come on. Come on out. We might even go ahead and let all of the baby birds out. Look how big they have gotten, y'all. Like, it's only been a couple of weeks and they are huge now. Silly guy. He's been living in this chicken coop we built, and if you haven't seen it, I'll put the video up here so you guys can go check it out. And he's been living with the baby chicks for a while now. So now we're gonna just take him out of here completely and let him meet all of the animals. You ready to open a door? Woo! Thor says no thank you. Alright, here's a couple of the baby pigs that we still have left. We have Groot and Naveen. Alright, Gator, say hello to the piglets. You want to meet Chewy through the fence? Say hi, Chewy. Alright, Jay's gonna introduce Gator and Eggsy, because Eggsy is Jay's pig for sure.
Eggsy. What do we have here? Easy. She says, I just want out. You okay with him running around? Hmm?
She's like, whatever. I don't care.
He just wants to go.
Yeah.
I don't want to let him go.
No, I want to let him meet everybody first. Goats. There's Buckley. He hasn't met the goats yet.
Let's go meet the meanies.
Yeah, Buckley's kind of a jerk. Hey, Buckley.
He's like, do I need to headbutt you? I don't think so. Well, somebody got his ear.
Yeah, probably one of the pigs. Him and Eggsy get into it a lot. Gator's like, can you just let me down? I got this. Alright, so the boy pigs and then the female goats is really all we have left to show him. He's been with the birds, so he totally gets them already. So I guess we need to go there. We're finding more and more volunteer plants that came from the piggies. So these are our cantaloupe from last year, and they already have flowers on it. There's these ones here, and then right inside the pig area right there where there was babies last year, There's a bunch of cantaloupe in there too. All right, ladies, here is a new friend, okay? Friend, not foe.
Like, I thought y'all had food.
You can't eat him, sorry.
Here.
No. Mom was like, wait a second. Where's mine? Alright, here's our muddy boy pigs all the way down at the other end of the property.
What you boys doing?
Hey, boys. You gonna meet Gator? Alright, meet Gator. Gator's like,
He's
please don't put me in the water. Well, now he's met them. I doubt he hangs out over here, but just in case he decides to wander down here, maybe they won't eat him.
I think they'll be fine. They like other animals.
All right, Gator has now met the farm, and we're gonna let him just roam now. I think we're gonna set him in with the main pigs and chickens in that area. But we're not going to lock him into the coop anymore, so he'll have free range to go where he pleases. And soon we're going to be building him a pretty cool cat tree house. So you'll have to stay tuned to see that one. All right, just set him down. Let him go. All right, you're free, Gator. Get all the mice, okay? Be a good mouser for us. Now the Gator is out, let's let these birds out. We're just gonna keep them in the big coop, but we're gonna let them out of the little one. So they'll have more room to roam, and then we'll move this old rabbit tractor out of here. Oh my gosh, look how pretty they are.
So big and pretty.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Whoop! Trying to go back in now. All right, they're all out. A little scared, but it won't be long before they get used to being out and running around. Alright guys, that mozzarella we made last week, we decided to turn into some homemade pizza this week. The garden has been giving us lots of basil and some banana peppers, so we decided to put them to use, and we threw some basil into this awesome crust. We found a recipe online for it, and I'll add that recipe in the description if you guys want to try it out. It was super simple and it turned out awesome with our homemade basil in it. And the sauce was super fast and easy. It didn't use any tomatoes from our garden, sadly, but soon enough we'll get some of those tomatoes to use. But we took some of our ground pork from when we butchered our hog, and Jay made some Italian sausage to go onto the pizza, and then we just sliced up that mozzarella we made the other day and added it on top with lots of other pizza toppings that, you know, we just can't live without. And it turned out fantastic. So if you guys haven't ever made homemade mozzarella and homemade pizza crust and homemade sauce and used all your garden veggies on your pizza, you totally should give it a try. It takes a little bit more time than buying one from the store, but let me tell you, it tastes so much better. You should definitely give it a try. Alright guys, Gator is wild and free now, as well as those baby chicks that are not so baby anymore. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.